Our Sunday lunch was sprouted whole moong khichdi with aloo palak and aam ka chunda. You can have this for lunch or for dinner or even pack your lunchbox for office or your kids' lunchbox for school with this menu. So first let's see how to make the khichdi. Wash and soak rice for half an hour and drain it and add sprouted moong. Heat ghee and some oil. Add cinnamon stick, cloves, bay leaves, peppercorns, cumin seeds or jeera. Stir for a minute. Add onions and stir until onions change color to become golden brown. Now add ginger garlic paste and green chillies. Stir for 2 minutes. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, a little salt now. Adding vegetables is entirely optional. You can add any vegetables of your choice. I have added cauliflower, carrot and beans. Now I'm adding the rice and sprouted moong, adding salt, give it a mix, add water and close the cooker and allow 3 whistles on medium flame. Now the pressure is gone. I'm adding some more ghee. Yummy, yummy, yummy khichdi is ready. And now let's make dhaba style aloo palak. It's so delicious and goes well with rice and rotis. Boiling water, add spinach or palak. Boil for 4 minutes and dip it in ice cold water for 5 minutes. Blend smooth, keep it aside. Heat some oil and ghee. Add cumin seeds or jeera and dry red chillies and chopped garlic. Stir for a minute and add chopped onions. Stir until the onions turn golden brown and now add ginger garlic paste. Stir for a minute and add green chilli. Stir again for a minute and add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, garam masala and kasuri methi. Add a little water so that the masalas don't get burnt. Stir and now add the blended palak and salt. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Add boiled potatoes and let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Now switch off the flame and add ghee. That's it. Aloo palak is ready. Do try out both the recipes, either as a combination or individually. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment. Thank you.